Hey there! Today we're going to delve into a tricky problem that can occur in programming. The problem at hand involves using a function call as a default argument when the function name is the same as the argument name. It might sound a bit confusing at first, but we'll break it down step by step. Now, let's talk about the solution to this puzzling issue. The key lies in understanding how namespaces are searched through inheritance in R. An important concept to grasp is how arguments are evaluated in a function. For instance, when one argument depends on another, or follows a specific order of evaluation. Take the example, son's function equals 1, b equals a plus 1, d equals stop, b plus 2. Building on our understanding, let's consider another example to shed some more light on the solution. In the code snippet f0 function equals we see how referencing an argument within its own definition can impact the evaluation process. This insight is crucial in comprehending why using a function call as a default argument with aligned names can lead to errors. Moving forward, let's explore a practical solution to the initial problem. By renaming the argument to .f1, as shown in the code snippet f2 function, f1 equals f1, .f1 asterisk 2, we can avoid the recursive default argument reference issue. Now, let's consider an alternative solution using the concept of dynamic scoping. In a code snippet f2 function, f1 equals parent.frame, $f1 asterisk 2, we see how accessing the function from the parent frame can provide a workaround to the problem. Another approach to tackle the issue is by incorporating a check for a missing argument. The code snippet f2 function f1 equals null if missing f1 asterisk 2 else f1 asterisk 2 demonstrates how this check can help in handling the recursive evaluation problem. In a final refinement, we can maintain the self-documenting nature of the function by including a check for missing arguments within the function definition. This approach, exemplified in f2 function f1 equals f1 if missing f1 get function f1 where equals parent.frame f1 asterisk 2 ensures clarity and robustness in the code. In summary, by understanding the intricacies of function evaluation and namespace inheritance in R, we can effectively address the challenge posed by using a function call as a default argument with aligned names. I hope this explanation has been helpful in unraveling the complexities of this issue. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!